Alright guys, so here we are. I'm about to get my locks done again. So let's go see Darnishia. Hi, beautiful.
Hi, loves.
Alright, you guys, so I'm about to get washed up. Now I have to get a good look at your sister because I was confused. I was like, wait.
Oh, empty. Don't be acting old. You want to put it now.
Right, it's hitting me. This feels amazing. Like,
and then it to me.
okay. Today we're doing something new.
No.
We're excited.
I'm excited for the new stuff.
Me too.
Let me put my mask on for that kill.
Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna put our masks on. Oh yeah. Thanks, sorry. Is he attractive to you now? Is that what it is?
Girl, I said, hold on. This is a whole grown man body right now.
For
like,
Nick
hold
Cannon?
on. Nick Cannon, girl. It's no longer a little boy. He's a grown man. He's all grown up.
Not okay.
He is healthy. I love it.
I kind of want to see now.
Oh my goodness, you gotta see, girl. You gotta
I got
see.
his Instagram?
Yes, please.
You said yes, please.
Cause I was surprised. You know Nick Cannon.
He's so corny.
He's so corny and small. Not no more.
Let me see.
It's a meal, not a snack. When you go to his page, he tagged and he got a workout page. Snack.
I'm not doing this with you. He looks exactly the same.
No way.
He looks exactly the same.
No, that's a grown man body. Look at the arms. He looked like a little boy majority of his life.
Oh my god, I think he looks exactly the same.
No way.
That's crazy. I'm not seeing what you're seeing. I mean,
like
he definitely got thicker. He definitely got thicker.
That's what I'm talking about.
But he still look like Nick Cannon to me.
Oh, definitely look like Nick. He just look like a whole man now.
Well,
she said he's not doing nothing.
Not one thing for me. Didn't do not one thing. I mean, he's handsome. I'll give you that. He's a handsome man. So we are done retwisting.
We are. This is the last step.
Like usual, she's mad fast.
Yes. Okay, you are all set up.
Okie doke. To the dryer. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's Wednesday, right?
What day is it?
It's Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Okay.
One of these days. The pandemic be having us like, what day is it?
Literally, I lost track.
I have a singing problem. I don't know if I was singing in your ear last time.
It's okay. I do the same thing.
I be singing.
I feel that. Especially when it's good music. I feel it.
I think it helped me create, I promise.
I believe that. I'm a big music fan. From the moment I wake up, I'm playing music to the moment I sleep. Because sometimes when I'm asleep.
Yes.
Every day, every night, my every thought is you.
of the new me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And then when you get the top and I see that you've been learning. And when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump that confirmed it. Trap money, baby. She got me in my feelings. Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KB. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I don't know when it's Kiki. Always, 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 never leave from us, never leave from us, always, always, Kiki. You love me, Kiki. You love me, always, never leave from us, never leave from us, always. I'm down for you, always stopping, and when you get the top, and I see that you've been learning, and when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it, and when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump that confirmed it. Trap money, Benny. I buy you champagne, but you love some Henny. Run the block like you Kenny. I know you special, girl, cause I know too many. Risha, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always, KT. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I don't know when it's Kiki. Always, 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 never leave from us, never leave from us, always, always, Kiki. Do you love me? Kiki. Do you love me? Always, never leave from us, never leave from us, always,
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. Oh, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand.
Take a look at it and tell me how you feel.
Okay. I think I kind of dig it.
This is the peppermint oil that I'm using.
I love peppermint.
It's a great oil. It's a healer.
For sure, and it feels great.
A lot of dandruff. Which you didn't have any.
That's a beautiful thing. These masks be drying the hell out of my lips, girl.
Man.
Jesus.
Oh, God. I really like it. It's really, really cute back here, too. This is the finished product. Yes, it's the hydration for me. Love that. Yes.
We're done.
And she is beautiful.
Thank you for usual.
You always welcome.
Thank you.
Blessing us with your spirit.
Thank you. So like usual, check the description box below for her information. She's amazing and she's so quick. Check her out, okay?
Thank you.